Right guys, I thought I'd just jump on. I've been getting a roof leak through here, and you see the gear stick, it's all wet. It drips down on my radio in here. And loads of people were telling me about this seam here. It's already got a bit of silicone on it, but I thought I'd just jump on and show you this. Looks like, so I've just relocated my light bar. So I was going to take the roof rack off, and I started moving it, and I found this. My light bar has literally rubbed a hole through my roof. Entirely self-inflicted, but I thought that was absolutely wild, and I wanted to show that just be careful. So literally the light bar was just touching it, but I've now moved it from here to the edge of this bracket here. But yeah, no, I thought that was absolutely wild, and I wanted to show you guys. So I've just done a little fiberglass repair. Not the prettiest thing. I get it sanded and spray painted up. But yeah, now I just use some of this fiberglass body filler. Like I say, get that sanded and then get it painted. I think I'm going to paint the whole roof in Raptor, as well as the roof rack.